Hey there, Wargamers. We're going to be testing out the paints from the Gamemaster character paint set.
Here we're going to be using the gray undercoat to base the entire mini. Kind of apply it slowly. You don't want any chunky areas messing up any detail. Our first acrylic step, and that is going to be Elven Green. Once you've got a nice opaque color there, we're going to switch over to Bear Brown. And for this, we're going to do the pants and the quiver on the model and do about 2 to 3 thin coats. This one wasn't as transparent as the green was. Once you've got good coverage over those parts, we're going to switch over to Chaotic Black. And for this, we're going to cover the boots of the model. And I decided to kind of do a Arcane Archer for the turquoise, just kind of caught my eye more than the bone did. Once you've wrapped that step up, we're going to switch over to the skin of the model, and we're going to do Elven Skin for this. Once you've got a nice finish on the skin, we're going to switch over to one of our final normal acrylic steps, and that's going to be the Dryad Brown. And for this, we're going to do the underside of the cloak and all of the straps on the model.